How to create a Steam account on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Steam account on your mobile. So let us begin. First thing, open up your Safari web browser or any web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Steam. After you search for Steam, you will find the Steam website. So simply open it up. After you open it up, on the top left, you should find the three lines or the hamburger icon. Tap on it. There you should find the login option. Tap on login. And after you tap on login, you will get redirected to a sign-in page. Now under sign-in page, if you scroll down a bit, you should find an option that says create an account. Simply tap on create an account. And after you tap on create an account, you will find this form pop up. Now here all you need to do is type in your email address and confirm your email address. After that, select your residence and go through this CAPTCHA. Now the CAPTCHA might take a while, so wait for it and then accept the terms and conditions. After you do that, tap on continue. And after you do so, you will get a mail on your Gmail. So simply head over there and let me go here. You'll get a mail similar to this. So right here, all you need to do is tap on verify my email address. And after you do that, simply open up the link. And there you go, your email has been verified. Now head back to the creation page here. Now, what you can do is you can simply tap on continue or use existing account if you already have that. Now, all you need to do is choose your Steam account name. So I'll just type in whatever here and choose a password. Now, choose a password that's really strong and tap on done. After you do that, it'll start creating your Steam account and there you go. So that is how you create a Steam account on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.